Welcome back to the Cozy Cottage Homestead. Today is going to be a little different on my Frugal and Thrifty Thursday. We're out here with the Miniature Nubians, and I've heard a lot of talk and research being done on how to add more platforms to your channel so that more people could find you and reach you and you reach them, and just different techniques and research from what I found. The more platforms you have, the better your channel does. So I figured I would give it a try. I would add a little more to my channel to see if it would help reach more people. And me being thrifty and frugal on our Frugal and Thrifty Thursday, this is the first platform that I've decided to add. Really reasonable. So we're going to go ahead and step it up another one. So now we have two platforms that we just added to our channel. Oh, hello, Miss Frex. I don't know if she's going to let me get up on the top level. You know, adding more platforms sometimes can be more trouble than it's worth. It also increases your security online to have your channel hacked. So, I think my idea of adding platforms to my channel seems to be a lot safer. And I mean, if you do fall off, there's some more platforms right there that's made of rubber tires, so no one really gets hurt. So I don't know about all this hoops and whistles. Seems like to me the more hoops and whistles you have isn't very frugal, because then when something breaks, it costs you more money. So I think my little channel is doing just wonderful. I do think that some channels are doing really well, and they do have multiple platforms. But like I said, with more and more platforms that you add, you are increasing your channel to be exposed and for it to be hacked. And then you are exposed to other threats and other problems. And I think when you're a small channel, you don't really need to worry about all those platforms. People that like you and love you and want to watch you and support you are going to do that no matter what kind of content you create, because they like you and they believe in you and they think that you're a very genuine person and they just enjoy spending time with you. So sometimes I think people are big dreamers and they think they got to have all these hoops and whistles and all these platforms. But is that really necessary? I don't know. I'm pretty comfortable with the way it is, but I will give these 3 platforms a try, and we'll see if it helps anything. So we've added the last one. Yes, this could be quite dangerous. Good thing none of my neighbors are home right now. They probably would think this girl's absolutely lost her mind. But it does seem a bit taller up here. Does make me seem like I'm a little bit bigger up here on this big old platform. But when I look around, I still see the same homestead, the same animals, just maybe from a bird's eye view. Maybe this will do the trick. Add more platforms to the homestead. I'm not sure, but it is fun to stand up here on the platform and look around. But we'll see if this helps. So I think the important thing is, with any channel, it doesn't matter how low down you are or how high up you are in the YouTube world. For me personally, the important thing is that you are having fun, sharing your life, sharing content that other people find interesting and very helpful. And whenever the Lord wants your channel to grow, it will grow. So I don't think there's no need in worrying about wasting time wondering about what platform to do, what hoops and whistles, what kind of lighting, and what you need to do, and being expensive, spending tons of money, trying to grow your channel. I thoroughly believe that whenever it's supposed to grow and take off, that it's going to grow and take off. The more people that share and like and subscribe, the quicker your channel is going to grow. And that is the best way to support homesteaders in any YouTube channel, is to show your support by leaving friendly comments and liking and sharing and telling others about people that you know has got some really good content. Maybe they have a good personality. Maybe you just appreciate their rawness and realness, and that they're just genuine and straightforward, and that they just don't sugarcoat anything. Not everyone just likes to appeal to people and show a lot of unnecessary skin. I'll just leave it right there. We won't go no further with that one. Just to get people to like their channel. I'd rather just be me and just be genuine and just do what I love to do. And if it grows, it grows. And if it doesn't, I still know, no matter what, that I am doing the best that I can. And that as long as I am doing what I believe is right and helping other people, then what else more could I ask for? I think that is amazing and that is wonderful. So I hope y'all have enjoyed this little quick Frugal and Thrifty Thursday. Yes, it was a little different, but I really want to try these new platforms to see if it really made a difference today in my channel, and if my subscribers liked it, or if they just absolutely thought this girl was completely crazy. But you know, I'm frugal, so this works for me. I like my new platform. I think it works great. So I think that's about all for today. Pretty cool seeing the shadow right there of me and Miss Josie. I guess we could really be silly and have fun with this, right? Let's just do a little spin here. All the goats are just looking at me like, hello mama, why are you on our platform? Well, I thought I would give it a try and see if it worked. Alright, y'all. Farewell, homestead family, friends, and neighbors from the Cozy Cottage Homestead.